What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Pursuit Garage. Now, I know we haven't had a boat update in a while, but in this video I'm going to tell you guys exactly why it's been slowing down a little bit and what's happening in the future. So first off, if you guys have saw the last video I posted was about my car. I've been working on my car. I've been working. I actually have been sick a little bit, so that's been slowing stuff down. But this boat here, I got everything out of the boat, so that's why everything's a mess. But this boat, I need to fix this because my stringer is rotted and there's basically a hole going right through this boat. It goes all the way on the bottom. What happened is this trailer is too small for this boat, so I ratchet strap it right here, and then it just really sat up there and snapped. So it's yeah. So I gotta really fix that. But I want to show you guys what this is like on the water, because I took this out actually last week and it freaking hauls ass, man. This motor's pretty great, and yeah, let me in the next video, hopefully maybe I'll show you guys what this is like on the water, because this actually works. This boat actually, actually runs and everything, and I'm just letting that dry over there. It's gonna be all warped and everything, whatever. But this is also something new. I just bought a dump truck. I'll explain that in another video. That's just for business use. But here's the car, man. There's a lot going on with it. This has been taking up most of my time. Won't really explain anything right there. Show you guys when that gets all put back together. But I'm going to show you guys another boat that I have that I think we should talk about. Now, the boat that we have been working on this channel is actually almost there. It's almost ready. I just put new spark plugs in. We just have to get the timing right, and then it will run. The motor also has a cracked block on it. So, essentially, we are going to have to redneck it and make sure that that block can handle the heat. So we're gonna have to seal it up with JB Weld. There's a lot going on with it, but here's my other boat. I know I have a lot of stuff. This one actually does run. The only thing this needs, I'm pretty sure it needs reed valves, because it starts and it has a weird idle and everything. So it runs, but it's just really weird, and I don't know, the floor is kind of soggy on this. I covered this in the winter, and this boat cover just did not do a great job. But I don't know. I'm torn because I don't know. I want to take this thing out. I want to get the other boat done. I don't know what to do, but this one does actually run, which is upsetting that all it needs is reed valves. It's registered and everything. Could be taking it out right now, but what do you guys think? Should I put reed valves in this, or just fix the other boat for now, run that boat and see if it'll run? The other boat, we're gonna try and get it done this week before I got stuck towing this. That's why that right there. We're gonna try and get it done before July 4th. So if you guys think, I don't know, what do you think? Either we could get this fixed in time, or we get the other boat fixed in time. It's just like the other boat isn't starting, man. Either we got to figure out the timing. So if you guys know anything about how to work on engines and anything like that, you guys need to help me out, because that boat, the big the blue one, it's just having issues. We're messing with the distributor that was changing it up a little bit as it was trying to start, but I don't know exactly what to do. So if you guys know anything about how to start engines like that, if having issues with engines, please make a comment and tell me, hey, mess with the distributor, or it's a carb issue or this or that. I think it's pretty much a spark issue, because it's getting plenty of fuel, and I'm not exactly sure, but yeah. But this is just a quick update. I know all this kind of rambled in here, but I just wanted to update you guys on what's going on. So I'll see you guys hopefully this week. I'll be able to get another video up. Hopefully we can get the boat on the water for July 4th. So all right, guys, have a great week. We'll see you guys later.